Hi students, last class we have completed 7th units. Today class we are going to start 8 units, that is production of food from plants. This both 8th and 9th units they have both related units because the 9th unit talks about the production of food from the animals. So that is the small difference between the production of food from plants, production of food from animals. So today in class there are so many definitions there. What is crop? What is agriculture? What is long-term crops? What is short-term crops? What is Kharif season? What is Rabi seasons? What is short night duration? What is long night duration? What is neutral plants? So today, introduction, we will discuss about this definition of this, all the identities. So come to the new textbook, they have given one diagram like India map. So we have to observe in the India map there are so many different colors we can see in the India maps. Which crop is growing in a particular region? Which crop is growing in a particular state? Which crop is famous in a particular states, in country, in states, in districts, in villages? So they have given like a small activity also. But here they given like a region, wheat, jowar, bajra, like rice. They have given different types of crops they have given in your textbook. But where they will grow in a particular region, you have to find out in which country the rice is growing more. Wheat is growing in which state? Like red grams is growing in which states? Jowar is growing in which states? Like different crops they have given, they will grow in different types of place. In today's class we will discuss a few side headings like what is crops? What is crops? Plants which are grown in a large number. Plants which are grown in a large number to get food production. So what is the meaning of crops? So where the crops will grow in a field, a particular field like 1 acre, 2 acres, 10 acre, 100 acres. Crops is nothing but it's a plants, the small plants which are growing in a large number like 1 acre, 2 acres, 10 acres, 100 acres, 1000 acres. So to get a food production is called as crops. Crop is nothing but they grow in a large number, in a huge number to get a food production. That is a crop. Then what is agriculture? What is the agriculture? The process of growing crops. The process of growing crops. The process of growing crops is called as agriculture. Agriculture is nothing but the process of growing crops. In agriculture, we can see animals also is there. We will discuss in next units. What is animal husbandry? What is animal husbandry? We will discuss in next units. process of growing plus. The time is not more, we have to write on the boards. So I will write and explain the terms. You have to write this all side headings. The next one is, what is long-term crops? Long-term crops. Long-term crops, the minimum, the maximum, like a minimum, they will grow like 180 days. After 180 days or more, they will come the harvesting. Such type of crops are called as long-term crops or more. To harvest long-term crops, we need 180 days or more than 180 days for the harvesting. Such type of crops are called as long-term crops. What is the example of long-term crops? Like zoa, red gram, kandi, zoa, zonalu, they need around 180 days, 6 months. Such type of crops are called long-term crops. Then what is short-term crops? Short-term crops. Minimum they will need at least 100 days for growing. For the harvesting of the crops, at least we need 100 days. Such type of crops are called short-term crops. 100 days is nothing but around 3 months. In every 3 months plus, you will get crops of production, harvesting. Such type of crops are called short-term crops. Example is like black gram, green gram, black gram, green gram, coriandrums. So there are so many examples there. Short-term crops. Short-term crops we need at least 100 days. And what is Kharif? Kharif season. Kharif season also called as rainy season. Kharif is nothing but in Arab rainy season. When this Kharif season will start from June to October. June to October. So Kharif season, it's rainy seasons. It will start in June, July, August, September, October. In June middle, they will start in July, August, September. In the end of the October, they will finish the crops. This type of season is called as Kharif season, in rainy seasons. What is Rabi season? It's also called as Rabi, summer season, summer crops. It will start from the October to January. October to January or April. January to April. So in winter seasons, especially winter, this Rabi season will be start from October to January or April. Sometimes April. They will go for the April. Next one is, what is short night duration? Short night duration. What is short night durations? If the night time is less than 12 and a half hours, shorter than 12 and a half hours. The night time is shorter than 12 and a half hours. Such type of duration is called as short night duration. Short night durations. The night duration should be very short. In such type of short night durations, due to the temperatures, due to the environments, some plants started to grow. So best example is wheat. Wheat. So this wheat started flowering with more flowerings. So in short night durations. If the long night duration is there, we cannot see the flowering in the wheats. That's why they will grow in the short night durations. And what is long night duration? Long night duration. Exactly opposite of short night duration. Night duration should be more than 12 and a half hours. Night duration should be more than 12 and a half hours. So, in such type of more than 12 and a half hours, the best example is maize and cotton. Cotton. Maize and cotton crops will grow in the long night duration. The last one is neutral plants. Neutral plants. So these crops, whether it is a long night durations, whether it is short night duration, nothing will happen. They will grow in any time. Such type of plants are called as neutral plants. The best example is soya bean. Soya bean. Soya. These are the different types of best example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So today I have given 9 topics and the definition of this 9 topics. The very important. So this lesson will begin all these topics. I have started. What is crops? So the plants which are grow in a large number to get a food production is called as crops. What is agriculture? The process of growing crops is nothing but agriculture. What is long-term crops? They take more than 180 days. 180 days are more than 180. Example, zoa and red crops. What is short-term? Short-term crops. They will grow at 100 days, 100 days, 3 months only. Like black gram and green grams. Kharif season, rainy season starts from June to October. Rabi season, summer season, starts from October to January or April. Short night duration, shorter than the 12 and a half hours. The night duration should be shorter than the 12 and a half hours. The best example is wheat will grow in the short night durations. So they need more temperatures. Long night durations. If long night duration is there, the temperature is very cool. So that's why these plants need more temperatures. Maize and cotton needs long night durations. So example is maize and cotton. Last one is the plants will grow in the any times. In short night durations or long night durations. So stop others. Soya beans. Just you have to read the lessons. But you have to. This is the homework today. You have to write all the only definition of the what I given. So you did understood. Just go through the workbook. Everything is there in textbook also. Already written. So what is the crops? Agriculture, long-term crops, short-term crops, kharif seasons, rabi seasons, long night durations, short night durations, and neutrals. This is the homework today. You have to read, so you have to write and send me. Okay? Thank you, students.